So I really like a golden high flow paint container, but I really dislike a golden high flow paint. I prefer a SONJA paint. So I have made my own paint bottles, like the golden paint bottles, but with my favorite paint. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. I bought these squeezy bottles from the dollar store. These are 2 ounces. You can also get them on the American Amazon. I ordered these steel balls for paint mixing off of Amazon as well. Make sure that they're the paint mixing kind because you don't want them to rust and wreck your paint. I also have a sticker printer, so I labeled all of these with a sticker, but you could just write on these with Sharpie. You're gonna add the ball bearings to the container. I used 4 of these, and then you're just gonna put some of that paint into the container. And then I'm going to take a little bit of water, and I'm gonna guess it's a feel thing. So I add a little bit, put that cap on. I would recommend using a paper towel and holding it when you shake it so that it doesn't explode all over your desk. And then you should be able to test it and see the flow of it. That's flowing pretty good. So there you have it. You just made a airbrush paint bottle out of whatever paint you want to use in your studio. These are twist top lids, and so you'll just want to seal the lid off. It is going to create a bit of a dollop of paint, and you can just dab that off. After you haven't used it for a bit, you may untwist and see that the hole on the top is clogged. Easy solution, thumbtack. Pop that in there, twist it around, and then you should be able to get your paint out just fine, just like so. So you can play with the consistency on how thick or how thin you want to keep these paints. But I personally like to run my paints a little bit thicker, but you should be able to dab the side of this and it would fall. We can just reopen this, add a little more water. I just try to add a little bit at a time so that I don't over dilute it. But if you over dilute it, you can just add more paint. So this is kind of the consistency that I find works best for airbrush. See, that black is a little bit thick. It's like coming more like a paint streak. That would be considered my perfect consistency. And these guys, when sealed, do not go dry. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video helped you. All of the links will be listed in the description below. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Check out all of the links in the description below for products and learn more about my studio. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video helped you. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.